Hello traders! In this video, we will have a look at how to handle and manipulate CTrader on your PC. CTrader is a popular alternative to the MetaTrader. It offers modern user interface with variety of chart settings, advanced backtesting, and algo trading tools, and much more. When you open the CTrader, first you have to log in to your demo or real account. When you log into the CTrader, you will see the default workspace. In the Layout tab, you can control the surroundings panels around your chart. If you want to save your changed workspace, just click on My Workspace and save it. On the left, you have a window with watch list, which follow the popular instrument. If you want to create your own, click on Create a new watch list and modify it as you want it. If you want to see the chosen instrument in the chart, just drag it into the center where all the charts of chosen instrument are, or just right-click on it and press New Chart. Next to Watch List is All Symbols tab, so that you can take a look for the instruments that you can trade. Now there is much more instruments to trade: majors, minors, exotics, commodities, and different CFDs. Below the chart is TradeWatch, where you see your open positions, your pending orders, history of close orders, your defined price alerts, your transaction history, and journal. In the first 4 tabs, you can also see the account stats. In Active Symbol panel, you can find out information about chosen instrument, such as bid and ask spread, depth of market, current news events, symbol information, market hours, and trading history. At the top of the Active Symbol panel, you can also open New Position. If we go to Watch List and right-click on the instrument we want to trade, it will appear a window where we can choose Create New Order. In the new window, you will see your bid and ask price for selling or buying the instrument, for opening a short or long trades. First, you have to decide if you want to open market order, limit order, stop order, or stop limit order. Then you choose long or short trade, and then set quantity of the specific instrument measured in lots. Below the quantity, we can set our limits on the order. You set here your stop loss and take profit for closing your trade. You can also add some comments there. You can also use the chart on the right to quickly drag and drop your stop loss and take profit level and see potential loss and profit. This feature is very useful in quick decision making, and it is something that MetaTrader do not offer. If you want to open trade with just one click, just click in the chart here. You can also modify the settings of one-click order in the Settings in Quick Trade tab. If the price moves in the desired direction and you want to shift your stop loss to a higher level, just right-click on your position in the trade, select stop loss, and set the trailing stop below. Other tool for this is the small shield icon for advanced stop loss and take profit orders. If you left-click on it, you can set up the scale out take profits and also automatic break even. Bear in mind that this advanced feature only works when your CTrader is turned on. To close a trade, you have to go to TradeWatch, where you have your position, and right-click on it and close it. If you want to close just some volume of your position, double left-click on it and choose the amount you want to close. You can also press the small X button here. You might have noticed that there are 2 additional buttons between X and Shield button. The double arrow will double your existing position, and the U-turn icon will immediately close your position and open one in the opposite direction. These buttons can sometimes cause more bad than good, so be careful when you are pressing them. To apply some, go to Indicators icon. Just choose the indicator and the window will appear, and you will choose desired settings. When you modify the settings of the indicator, click OK, and it is done. If you want to remove it, right-click on it and choose in the upper right corner, Delete. Drawing and Windows toolbar is on the right side next to the chart. There, you can adjust your windows, add different lines, text, and so on. You can change the time frames on the left side, save your template, manage your indicators, and change the chart visualization. If you click on the time periodicity next to symbol name, you can change your chart type based on time, ticks, range, or Renko charts. Alright traders, that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels. Thank you for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you next time.